live. Disclaimer: content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading involves substantial risk. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Viewers are responsible for their own trading decisions. No guarantees of success or profitability. Good morning to all traders. Good morning, good morning. Anybody watching this in the future? Anybody hopping in today? Looks like we got consolidation and a brief push up to all-time highs, creating a lower high up here. Brief sell-off, uncertainty at that level, trading around 27,000 this morning. A little rally off of 27,000, trading at 27.24. But at the top of this overnight range, off of 27.80, pushed down for a higher low here. The last 3 hours, it's been a higher low. Let's see here. So we've been holding this range between 26.9 and 27. We had a crazy move from 27.80 to 26.860, 850, 130 point move to the downside. Did not recover that completely with the higher, lower continuation trend sell off to the downside. Short in this, holding these shorts, correcting overnight to 26.9. Another 26.900. So close yesterday had so we consolidated within this 26.800 and 26.900 range with a nice breakout to the upside, creating a new range between 26.941 and 27,000. Steady climb up above, finding new support around 27,000, and another push from 27,000 to 27,138. So our high is 27,138. Off close yesterday, we had a huge correction, 138 to 850. If I could do math, 150, 250, 280, almost a 300 point move. Did not recover that high. Been trading around 26.9 and 27,000 with lower highs here. We got a hold and a change of character at this point at 26.9 again, with an accumulation to the upside. Saw a break and tap 27,079, and now we're on our way back down. So this could be coming after a lower high and a correction to the downside, or this could be accumulating to tap for all-time highs. We're trading around pivot point and above VWAP. So we want to see consecutive lower highs, higher lows here if we are going to be bullish for this morning to break all-time highs, or there could be trading within this range for a while, a few days, maybe into next week, between 27,125 and 26,900, accumulating in 26,900 for the next couple of days. So we want to be thinking, paying attention particularly to 26,900. and 27,125. I'm gonna try and go with the flow, be focused, read price action, and have a good trading day. We got 5 minutes till open, and 5 minutes till open, and hope we make some money. I think I got a trade on my live. I think that A plus setup will come at 26.9. I think I'm bullish at 26.9. I want to see price action around there because we could correct deeper than that to 26.5. Deeper correction this morning, 26.5. Looks like they're on the 4 hour. There was a nice push yesterday, an overnight correction to the downside, and a push back above. Around 50% of that moved to the upside after it broke around 26.9. So we're at 27,000, halfway to 27,125. Could be low resistance to the upside for another 100 points. So we could be going up before we go back down, accumulating to the upside. But if we don't off morning and we get a lower high here and we start selling off and shorting, we can get down to 26.9. 26.8 would be my bearish reversal, and I'd be trading to 26.5 after that. But that's if we get there this morning. Getting a little bit of a pullback on the 1 hour. If we can keep this above 26,990, 26,990, you can consecutive higher lows. You could target this 80 up here. I feel like trying to put together, this is very, I feel like I'm on so many strategies this morning, and based on price action this morning, it could go a lot of different ways. So don't necessarily want to be in a trade-off for it, but do want to have direction established. I do trust a bullish move because of these rallies, but also trust the range and a hold above 26,900 and a sell at highs. So if they sell at highs and they sell to longs after this accumulation, looks more likely they're going to hold more shallow supports like 26,940. So if we get to 26,940, could be a deeper hold here. Want to see a reaction. Breaking 26,970. Minutes till open. We have flash manufacturing PMI 645, so it might be light volume, but that's only an orange folder. UOM consumer sentiment at 7, and tech earnings from Tesla reactions for the day. Did notice these 4-hour FEGs 25.8, 25.9, 26,000 for a deeper retracement. Looks a bit heavy up here. It's getting heavy, congested with consolidations. A couple days, maybe today. Hopefully, just get a straight up rally in the morning. I don't see what's stopping us from breaking all-time highs this morning. keeping higher lows here. So is there more all-time high trading? We got to find a good support. Wait for more than just, we want to see an accumulation with updrift to the upside prior to a big move. We might be in on those momentum moves. Could be distribution at these highs. Oh, that's pretty quick. There's no lag really. I'm here. Just want to see the live chat if anybody pops in here. Okay, we got open. Nice sell off. Downwards pressure.
Order filled.
Selling at this low for some reason. More presses just up above there. Passing practices. Price discovery to the downside.
Order filled.
Just want to take profit because I shouldn't have been in that trade. And we're going to start getting some upwards pressure within this range, holding above 26,970. 26,990, slid back up. Looks like we're finding action around here. Profit taking could be a reversal off of 26,970. Slips to 70 before we get a nice hold there. Look at the orders, expecting to push to the upside potentially. We got a retracement into this FEG back into 2713. Want to see, feeling a bit bullish this morning. Created a low. I want to see this trade back into the support, and then we target this 2713. We are selling around 27,000. Accumulating around 27,000. Slips to the up and down side. Lows at 26,970, 26,990. 5 minute looks bearish. We have a deeper support at 26,940. Good entries around 70. Around 27,000. If we get a lower high, slips to the up above 27,000. Holding at 27,000. This could be moved to the downside. More selling going on. 26,990. Got a hold on the 1 minute. Slips to 26,990. So it's between 80 and 27,013. This is a compact range this morning. About 20 points. Strong accumulation here. Could be a sell-off at these highs before we get a move. Looking for liquidity and 27,000. Could be bigger operators selling up here. Selling to retail. We sold it's in retail's hands. Keeping this range tight. Looking for a potential break of highs and a retest at 2713. Or a rejection off of 2713. Slowing down up here. Looks like we got downwards pressure off of there. I do have a live account that I could risk a little bit with. Maybe so.
Order filled.
Take profit quickly. Thinking this is gonna hold a little bit. I'm gonna sell it down here.
Stop filled.
I get so nervous trading live money. 1150. Looks like it was a brief accumulation. It's still just better entries to the downside. Got one more trade. Want to see this hold here. Don't want to just be part of any trade. This is an accumulation pennant. Looks like a bearish one. Just be part of the liquidity before we get this move. More concentrated at 27,000. Just get them go to the upside or the downside. It's holding at 27,000. So there's large orders here. We're accumulating to the up or the downside. Looks like a downwards pressure. Could be looking for better prices to the upside actually. For a break highs. We got a hold on the 5 and the 1. Looks like it's reversing. It's holding at this low. We could go long from here.
Order filled.
Expecting a break. More of a range play, but a build to the upside and accumulation. Selling stops hopefully. We get a continuation to break 27.1. More accumulation at this level. Seeing a break above. Could be selling to demand down there from down there. Holds at 27.20. Seeing some market fill to the upside. Get more downwards pressure off of 20 to 10. Accumulation, see a break above here. Sell to longs. Seeing a nice hold. Maybe you want to hold this until selling steps in. Start decreasing risk. Preparing for an exit. Securing some profits. Looks like it's selling up. Seeing a break. Sells. Downwards pressure. Sells. Could keep this up above there. Or I got my stop too close, or it's a fake out. Just retesting 20. Keep my stop a bit close here. Selling for better entries. Could slip down to 10. Or we get this. We saw a break above an accumulation. Just beyond this FEG. Seeing a hold off of 20. Looks like we're retracing that. Come back down to the bottom of this range. If we get a nice hold off of 20 for a new support to the upside. Nice indication for longs. Picking up at 20. Slowing down. Slips a little bit. Nice upwards pressure. Tap back into that FEG. Building something here. More longs and shorts. Keep this above 13. Nice upwards pressure. We need to see break of highs here for indication of a momentum move. Stop that downwards pressure. Nice holds here off of 20. Break of that recent high. Indication we could hold here. And see break even soon. This doesn't get us snacked to the downside. Trading above, approaching VWAP. So there's a build off of 20. I'm targeting 80. So this is selling into strength here. We're tracing all-time highs. Straight rally off of open. Nice holds and selling into strength at 27.40. Seeing a break above. Want to start thinking about selling into weakness. I see weakness at 80 or 55, 53. Nice push. Nice trade. There's going to be profit taken up here, but potentially still selling into strength. This could come back a little bit. Our new hold around 30. We take a profit here.
Order filled.
Okay, so now I'm gonna switch. Made some money. Switch to sim. This is a break above the highs, but want to be wary around 80. That's 30 points away. It's a decent entry down there. Got a hold. Sold into weakness. Wanted to take profit. Do I take another trade? Do I call it a W? D to W, first initial lost one, but we're up 40 bucks. Made 40 bucks this morning. Nice rally to the upside. Looks like there's a continuation. Selling into strength here. I don't know why I'm not in this trade. It should have held. Execution is strange. So I'll break it. These potential to sell into strength into all-time highs too. Shouldn't be shorting at these highs. To 125. Maybe get in one. This next pullback created a FEG down here. Slips to 50 to 40 potentially. Picking up on some limit. Selling into strength at 50. Slips below 50. Strength at 50. Could enter here. Saw a break. Continuation maybe. Keep my stop below here. Selling into strength. Almost tapping this 80 here. About 20 points away. Maybe hold to 50.
Order submitted.
So I'm seeing a bit of a slowdown up here.
Order filled.
Tapped into 50. Nice hold there. Could be slips all the way down there. Looking for a continuation. There's liquidity up here, selling off. 50, potential build off of 50. If we don't get short stepping in here. So we got a sell off around 50. Targeting 100 for the rest of the day. Seeing nice upwards pressure. Accumulation 55, 60. Selling into strength. Targeting 80. Getting ready to close. My exits are weak though. Scary. Fear. Instead of greed. Instead of what is. We're in a 1-to-1. Want to de-risk soon. Want to see a break at this high, trading into 80, potentially 100. Seeing a break of these highs, getting ready to take profit. around 60, selling to 60. Weakening to selling into strength. Probably getting their exchange up here. Let's see, break all time highs today, or break a highs.
Order filled.
55, 54. Okay, so now I'm simming. I'm holding that. I ain't playing this game. Look, got heck of sweat to the downside. Thank goodness I avoided that. Wow. We got knocked. Swept all the way down to 20. Did it already. Hold at 50. We got a sell off on the 5. And the 1. This looks like you can head back down for a lower high.
Order filled.
So we got this top of this range, and we got an exchange, and we got a push down, and we got shorts inducing, and we got a sim. Let's forget about live. We made money this morning. I'm keeping it. Stay sharp. Would I be part of this trade? Okay, the trades I'll be part of instead of scalping. Well, I'm trying to keep my enough capital where I can scalp for an hour and take all the good trades, and this is a hold off of 40 to the upside. So we are breaking highs and selling into strength. Nice protecting off of 40. People kept their stops pretty low there. 25. Probably gonna not trust this high after that sell off.
Order filled.
I got a little bit tilty, so I'll break a high selling into strength around 80. You can sell at all-time highs on the 1 hour. I'm gonna break these recent highs. I'd rather be on that 80. Taking profit at 80. Could be shorting at 82. Want to see you break above 80. Probably would just be holding this to the upside. Should be. Look for quick momentum moves though. For accumulations like this. Seeing a break to the upside. Should be part of this trade on my live. Same thing, be part of this from here. This accumulation, instead of just jumping in, we got one. I would take profit now.
Order filled.
Look for a better entry. Always look for better entries after pullbacks. You get lucky if you find one. On these rallies, selling happens at strange times. So I break at 80. Still pushing up. About to break 100. Broke 100. Maybe a supply at 100. We get a lower high up here, we get a break above, and then we got a nice rally selling into strength, inducing shorts at these highs potentially. 15% long, nice rally off morning. Selling going on around 95. Selling slips to 80, 90. Hold at 90. Slips to 85. impulsive move to the downside. A lower high on the hour. And the 4 could be an accumulation, a hold, more selling into strength to the upside. We're going to be within a range today. And validation of a trend. Stay within this range would be keeping us below 100. I want to see a lower high here again. Created FEG off of 90. A relief of longs, potentially shorts getting hit. Market orders to the downside. We're leaving these longs here. There's a little bit of a battle of uncertainty around 80. Potential pullback for better orders and support 80. More of an accumulation. Slips to the downside. Holding around 75. Slips again to 70. Whoa, crazy move to the downside. I don't know if that was market orders or what. Another hold off of 40. 30-point slip. 30-point slip. Holding down here. I don't want to be too high. Market orders from deep. 27,000 maybe. 2740 stuff, all sorts of stuff got hit here. So it was too dangerous for getting back to highs. Potential to retrace back up to highs now. Good demand area after that slip. Correction of this slip down. And trade around 75 for potential hold and break of all-time highs. About 50 away. Maybe just recovering this could be lower high. I'm feeling a bit bearish right now. We got a change in character off of that. Press to the downside, but we did get a hold off of 30, 40 for a higher low pullback. Potentially second leg to 100. A bit of a gap up there, whatever this is, in the data anomaly. Breaking above 80. Wonder what this can cause of this move. Market orders to the downside, potentially. A lot of orders got took here. So we're getting more agreement to the upside. Support and accumulation. A rally. A sell-off. New support at 2750. Or hold below 100. Big volume on that candle. About 5,000. We're just liquidity. Lighter volume to the downside. Lighter volume to the upside, actually. Mid-range on the RSI. Looks like we're headed back up though into overbought territory. We're aiming for this move. Looks like a correction of this and another accumulation off of 70. Accumulation off of 70 for highs. Bit of uncertainty in a battle around here with slips to the downside off of 70. Pressing down, hold off of 80. Bit bearish off of this high. looks like it's gonna drop too. Looks like a reversal. Would I be a part of this play? Could be. I don't trust these whipsaws, these recent whipsaws though. Need more of a break to the downside. Around below 50. Accumulation to the downside. Potentially. Waiting for more accumulation. Slips to 60. Potential entry is 60. $55, $56. Exchanging the shorts potentially. More downwards pressure. Bit of a battle gonna go here for bears. This looks like it's gonna break below. So it's from 2 to 3. Price discovery potentially holding above VWAP. Don't want to just enter on impulse. Could reaccumulate. Hold off for 13. Potentially target 20. Looks like it's gonna break below 40. Saw a break below this recent low. Longs up here for this rally could be supporting a deeper support. Keeping this up on the 1 and the 4. On 1 minute, this looks like it's just gonna elevator down. I'm seeing a break below. Want to go sim because I made some money already.
Order filled.
Send this back to VWAP. Be selling short here potentially. Could have a retest around 40 to the downside. One minute break below that recent. Looks bearish. We can get a pullback here. We got a good entry to the downside potentially.
Order filled.
I'm gonna come bring this down or retest off of this 50. Do you just keep trading as a trader, or do you make money, or do you accumulate around 40, press to the downside, recent pressure for the last 15, 7 o'clock news coming up, consumer sentiment, bit bearish, hold on the 1 to the downside, pivot area coming up where this could just be breaking below, trading back down to pivot, getting accumulation to the downside, lightening up on longs here on NASDAQ. We're going short here. Everybody going short here. Do I? Willing to risk this downwards move to VWAP. Maybe we see support off VWAP, more bullish for the day, break all-time highs, accumulating down at 700. Safer play. We have 4 target to the upside, potential hold off of 2713. Retraced open, bullish. There's gonna be an exchange down here. Potential good entry 13. We get more selling. A bit light here. Consumer sentiment. Bit of relief right here. An exchange. Potential accumulation. Looks like a deep enough retracement. 2,700, 27,000, I mean. So this did trade until VWAP. I think I could have been a part of that. Good entry off of 27,000. See this exchange. Volume picked up here. Volume's picking up here. 27,000 break below VWAP. Could be slipping a pivot. If this breaks below pivot, then we are down to S1. We are bearish. We want to see a hold off of 70. Play that reversion back up 2730, 13. If we get a hold off of 80 here, want to see this go bullish, accumulate a little bit, reaccumulate. We're going to target these highs. It's like a decent hold off of 27,000. Could be fair here. Fair zone, fair range. Going long off of 27,000. Slips to the downside a bit, need a hold. No reason to short down here. Unless there's a big operator looking to press this all the way back down to 26.9. This could be down to 26.9, or we have a pennant here, more recent holds above for higher lows. Looks like a safe landing here. Off of 26.8, 26.980. Bounce off of 80. Oh, saw a dip down to 70. Trading 80. Accumulation. Part of liquidity down here. Getting a nice tracing back to the upside. We're seeing accumulation, 27,000. This could be accumulating for some time. Relief of this downwards move. Accumulation off 27,000. Look for a good entry, 27,000. Accumulation 27.5. Oh, we are long from here. They're sending this back up. This has an accumulation. We're accumulating. Who's selling this to them down there? These shorters. Holds and accumulation 27.5. Break above.
Order filled.
You can test these new highs here. Hold above VWAP. Accumulation. Yeah, orders start market ordering here. See nice momentum to the upside. This price discovery to the upside. We'll potentially take profit here. Seeing a hold, taking profit. Accumulation at 20. Accumulating at 20. Hold off of 15. There's gonna be an accumulation zone here. Dip below. Do not want this to create a range down here. Want to see this hold off of 10. Then she want to exit. Find a better entry. Don't trust that downwards move. Gotta hold off of 10. Could be a retracement, 50%. More downwards pressure, creating a range down here. Slips, accumulation 26,980, 27,000. So we get a demand here, stepping in, lightening up on this support, creating a stronger support is 10, inducing longs, selling into strength for the upside, accumulation between 27,000 and 20. We'll see a break above 20, we'll see a break above 30, accumulation at 20. This could be a good trade here if we don't get a lower high. We got a doji on the 5. Accumulation to the upside. Doesn't look like they stopped that. Downside, this looks like an accumulation to the downside. Looks like a build off of 27,000 to the upside. What's gonna stop this downwards accumulation first? Part of an accumulation, hold above VWAP, slip 27,000. We need a hold off of 27,000. Ooh, get back, y'all. Could be giving back. More downwards pressure, break below recent lows, and holds. Ooh.
Stop filled.
I'll break even for this morning. Better entry to the upside. Should have kept that. Better entry to the upside.
Order submit. Order filled.
Looking for a higher low here. Relief for this downwards move. Accumulation is 27,000. Upwards pressure. Could be an exchange looking like a bear flag. It looks like a higher low here on the 1 minute. It's gonna retrace, come back up high. Don't get slippage. Nice upwards movement with a hold here. Nice accumulation there. Selling into strength. Getting ready to start trailing. Don't know about selling into strength here. Want to see break of highs. Do I hold this or do I take profit? I'll take profit now.
Order filled.
Okay, we're at 52.90 and I am gonna stop with that because I got direction right, but I just need a little bit of room, wiggle room down here. Let's go sim. Okay. It's only taking a couple good trades that you can afford to risk. Take the best of those trades, like this breakout up here, recent highs, this accumulation. I just always want to trade. I trade everything. Looks like a retracement back up to highs on the 5 and the 1. Could be a nice hold here. Off of 13 for a good entry down here. More of an accumulation at 20. More downward pressure off of 30. Within this micro range for the last 10 minutes. Looks like an accumulation to the upside still. We get this higher low. Change in character to the upside. Looking for a tighter accumulation. Nice hold off of 7,000. We're seeing a break below. More of a hard stop at 30 though. More of higher lows for 90. 27,000. This looks like a bearish retracement and tap back to lows. We had a break below here. Could be bearish. Deeper lows off of these highs. Seem to come back down 26.9. Feeling bearish. Bye, have a good day. Balling today. RIP Kobe. It was all business this morning. Straight up charts. Man, what's going on here in the world? Let's have a good trading day. Traded with live. Made, what did I make this morning? Made 52.90. See what kind of trades we took. Gross profit, 176. I was 55% win rate today. 9 trades, 5 winning, 4 losing. So total net profit 3112. Over here, my total P&L says 5290. Long trades and shorts. I don't know why that's gross profit 176.90. Gross loss 145. 630 in commissions. What is profit factor? Sharp ratio seems high. I don't know what any of these data means. It's a bit scary taking profit. Took profit a bit sooner. 2 consecutive winners. And profit for the day. Could make $100 a month if I make 50 a day. Okay, so we got crucial level down here. Potential hold off of 26,980. I'm done trading live. I'm just gonna keep that. Say thank goodness. Super cool. Little by little. I think I'm done live streaming too, trading for the day. 7:14. Not sure how long it's been. Kind of want to take a break. Maybe I just take a break and come back. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break and then see if I could sim trade for another hour maybe. We'll read these markets and what we could do. We'll be right back. All right, let's see if there's a big trade that we can set up for the day. This looks like an accumulation hold off of these lows waiting for a breakout. What is a strange looking breakout? Keeping a hold below an accumulation. Looks like a consolidation down here before we get a move up. More longs than shorts. A good entry at 90. Really defensive at 90. Or could be a bear flag from this previous move down. Could be change of character and reversal. Might be choppy for a while. Or we get a move to the downside on the hour. It looks like there's a sell off and a build of shorts. We got a 4-hour, new 4-hour, last 20 is red. I think I would take a long from here. One way or the other. Can't wait till I'm a millionaire. Can't Can't wait till I got a fat ass freaking account to just ball with and stack. Jeez Louise. Be a lot easier than starting with 0. But yeah. You have to figure out that strategy with the big account too, and you gotta start somewhere making steady profits, even if it's small, with a small account, and then keeping it, and then just consistently taking good trades and being in the green and getting used to that. I'm still kind of new here with demoing and applying strategy to live because I haven't really had too much opportunity to fund a live account. When I did the small accounts, I didn't really know how to trade too well, so just wanted to focus on demo. The market does what it wants to do, so I do adapt, try and adapt models and patterns to what's going on. And here usually we get a range, but I'm not trusting a bullish move, or we're in a bearish move. Looks different across different higher time frames, but applying 4 target to the upside accumulation for this bullish rally to the upside. Hold off of 27,000. Looks like that's what people are thinking. Market sentiment asserts something that the market doesn't know. And this could be a break below and trade back to 26.9. And this has been an accumulation to the downside. So it's been absorbing 27.13 and lower. So I'll close at 26.990. Seeing significant holds at 26.970. Three holds and a push back up to the upside. Well, we had 3 holds and a push to the upside. We had 2 holds. Potential push to the upside. This could be the accumulation candle on the 5 and a push to the upside. So we could go enter here, target those highs. This is a good entry for a breakout to the upside. We got a hold in accumulation. 19% long. This looks like there's more downward pressure on the 1 minute. It's more of a bearish correction this morning, a deeper bearish correction. If we get a break below 80 again, if we get a break below 85, this has the potential to be short for a while. The 1 minute looks leading to the downside. We could get a second leg. We also gotta hold the view out. I don't know if it's light volume or what. This all gotta be tape reading, I realized. The skill is reading the tape and getting good at reading the tape and what's really going on in the market, so you're not guessing. You gotta catch up all the tape, like from the past few weeks, and then read all of that tape, back test what's going on in the markets until you get a good gauge of like new fresh zone, new fresh support where it's like all being exchanged to the upside. So that's one trade that you could take. Or I like those trades the most. I like selling into strength to the upside for all-time highs after an accumulation, because whoever has that supply is just going to be selling on its way up until it reaches that high that it's been and then completes that auction. Seeing a break above. Shoot, another good trade here to the upside. Not quite seeing a break yet. For price discovery to the upside off of 20. Saw a break of that recent high. Let's see, break a 30. So I push down, selling off, going here. 25. Got a strange hole off of 25, can't explain it. It's a micro range. If we get a hold off of 10. We can move this to the upside. Seeing a break here. Another hold. Yeah, there's a strong hold at 25. Don't know when we're gonna get this breakout or if we are. Could be in a minute now. Could be an accumulation to the upside. Wouldn't be having any more entries here. They'll be selling the shorts for a quick move to the downside. It's an accumulation and hold around 25. More accumulation at 10. Won't break above this 25 level. Won't break below this 90 or 70. This is what you call chop. And when you play the chop, play this micro range. Looks like we're breaking up here though. So I'll break above. Sort of relief, reaccumulation up here. Potential entry. Waiting for this to come back up. There's too strong of a hold off of 30. Signaling no bull move yet. More of a bearish move. Stronger bearish move to the downside. Then we're looking for a break to the downside. More of a curve lower highs here. More of a flat stop here. Someone's protecting their shorts at 30. Retail might be going long here. 90. Can't really get a direction here. It's been selling off all morning. So there's an initial move. This breaks below or above or below this range. I think I'm actually done trading. It's been an hour. Do want to work on spending a couple hours here. Gotta start building endurance. Gotta hold. Well, if there's no moves going on, we got an accumulation potential to go up or down at this point. Can't really tell. We're trading in this mid-range, light volume. Some moves like the beginning of this move had heavy volume, and it's just been light volume within this range. Accumulating, selling. Not sure which way they want to take this. Potentially more selling, light volume to the upside, higher low until this breaks. It's a fake out to the upside. I've been on a bull move. Made a nice move to the upside here. More accumulation at 13. This could be an explosive move to the upside, break all-time highs. I think we get in on this one. I've seen another break of highs. Just beyond 30. FEG off of 10. Looks like they're gonna sell to longs here. Finally getting this move. Maybe want to enter. Just the last accumulation before a move. This looks like that point that it's gonna break to the upside. Uncertainty at 30. Seeing a break above. Seeing a break above. I'll get in here.
Order filled.
And on price discovery to the upside. Accumulation could be selling to new highs. Could be distributing into strength here. I want to see too big of a move to the downside and fake people out. Support this move off 35. Want to see break above. Want to see break above 50. Break above 40. Hold above 40. Want to see break at 45 and then 50. Take profit a little bit early.
Order filled.
Took profit. Okay, now that's what I'm done. Now I'm done. I think, I don't want to be bad habit switching between demo and live. But if you're willing to risk on a good trade, that's when you pull the live account out. If it's chop, if it's uncertainty, then it hasn't built yet, then you don't want to get stopped and chop and get money back. Once you get that break, then you make sure to take profit as soon as you can. Sold at this high, we're gonna rebalance. Made money this morning though, so feeling good about that. Let's have some more good days like this. Survive to thrive. And we're rich, y'all. Do this every day, and it's a piece of cake. I'm getting better every day. Okay. Logging out, made my money for the day, and see about improving in other ways with trading. Watch my tape. Hopefully I traded well. I need more stuff to talk about. I need more news, more confluence with what's gonna happen in the market. So definitely gonna start working on pulling some info together. But yeah, if you guys had a good trade day, good job too. If you didn't, then keep at it. We'll keep going, and good day to you too, and good day to all. Hope you have a good day and a good rest of the trading day. Okay, yeah, good trading day, y'all. Okay, bye everybody.